Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add new site in your WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now under this site tab, you will find new site button at the right hand side of your screen. Click on new site button and you will direct it to another web page. After that, you need to type in the domain name here. If you already have your domain name, you can use your own domain name. After typing your domain name, you will find the recommendation options from here. These are all the paid plans here. Use the free one by clicking on this button and click on continue button here. After that, click on Start with Free button. Now you can select your goals by clicking on these checkboxes here. Or you can directly skip to the dashboard by clicking on this link at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can pick a design for a web page. After that, click on Continue button. Now you can launch a site by clicking on Launch a Site button here, or you can skip this for now. So the new site has been added here. So that is how you can add a new site in your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.